Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to get the halation effect on your clips here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is find the clip and add it to our timeline. You can see we have this one right here and we want to add another one. So I'm going to add a second and put that right on top. Once this is now in, what we want to do is make sure this top one's selected. Go to the very top and click on effects, and you want to find blur. From here you want to add this to your video, the one at the very top. You can see that's now blurred it. We can obviously change this a little bit depending on how much halation we'd like to add, but let's sit at around 45 to 50%. Once that's been done, you next want to go to filters, and from here you want to look for green orange. This one I find works quite well. Drag and drop this onto that same file. Now you want to go over to video, click on blend, and then go from default down to overlay. Once that's been done, next thing you want to do is go to adjustment, click on curves, and from here you can then adjust the halation on the video. Let's go for somewhere like here. And you can see the effect has now been added to the video, and we can just adjust it as we see fit. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.